If you're looking for a good woodworking plan, there are a few things that need to be considered. Is there a cut sheet and material list? A cut sheet is the parts of the piece individually noted and dimensioned so that they can be properly fabricated. A material list is a shopping list so you know how much wood to buy and what type. Is there an overall picture of the finished product? In order to get a good idea of what the completed project will look like and how it's assembled, there should be at least 3 views of the project. These would be the top, side, and end views. And are these views projected so that they can be scaled and visualized during construction? Is there a fastener list? This isn't a top priority, but it is very helpful to know what screws, bolts, glue types, brads, or nail types go into the project. Is it printed out on a readable size of paper and scale? If not, you may not be able to make out the dimensions and notes. Is it supplied in an easy format to print, such as a PDF? Would you like to learn how to create drawings like this one? Go to mechanicaldrawing.us to find out more.